Hi, welcome to the third entry in our vlog for our 53 Ford Customline. Today we're going to replace the window. This was on the driver's side that was broken. Looks like he's got to remove an inner panel. Most of the inner panel of this side, this door, is already gone. But there's a top piece here that needs to be removed. I don't know if the door handle needs to go.
No. Normally there'd be a panel right here, and like there is on the other side. If you look at the other side,
it had these blue velvet panels to start with, but the one on the driver's side is missing. The one on the passenger side is still there.
To remove the panel, you have to use a tool like this, which because there's these are held on with springs, and sometimes it can be difficult trying to get this in the right place. And then you slide it in like that and try to get to the spring. And if it's the wrong size, as this appears to be, then pretty much stuck with using a screwdriver to push or getting the right size. If you use a screwdriver, if you could get it in there, you could push the clip out. Now we don't have to push the clip out on this one because the panel's already gone, and not paying attention to what I'm doing. And these right here were part of the panel. They're just little clips that you have to pry off with the screwdriver. But it looks like the prior owner, or a prior owner, just ripped it off when they took out the window.
So to get this top piece off, are there screws holding it in place?
There are some screws, like right here there was a screw, and then over here there's a couple, but since it's not coming loose easily, I'm not sure if it's from, yeah, it's held on over here by screws too. So if we use the screwdriver, there's doesn't look like there's a clip holding it on. It looks like there's a screwdriver, or a screw. So they keep putting the wrong head on.
Looks like there are screws regularly. There's one over here. There's one there. There's one down here on the side.
Some of these screws, I think, hold the track in too, but I'm not sure. I saw it taken apart at the junkyard, and it's not quite like the newer cars, the way that's put together. So this should be the last screw. And the reason we're removing this panel is to get more room for sliding the window in. There it goes. So now we have this panel removed. We have the two clips that were right here, and we have the inside. We have to put the tracks on these things, which are not in good condition. We might have to replace those depending on whether it moves or not. And there's a stop down here that's held on by these screws, and at the junkyard they removed the stops. I don't know if I will have to. So we'll see if this can slide in with the vent in place. And it looks like the vent is going right here. Might have to be removed, like they did at the junkyard. So there's 2 Phillips screws right here. And there's a track up here that for the window to slide into. On the junkyard they removed that, but I'm not sure we have to. Yeah, we're gonna have to, which is too bad because it's hard to remove this thing without breaking it. They're held on by clips. So you just have to carefully with the screwdriver and here's the clips, the little ball clips that holds it on. I'm not sure we're going to be able to reuse this felt here. Looks like it needed to be replaced anyway. But right now, we're just trying to replace the window to keep the weather and the cats out of the car. And then it's stuck in here. Speaking of cats, there's one on top of the car. So now maybe we can pull this out. Something's holding it in. Oh, okay. I was caught on that. This is going to have to be replaced at some point too, since it's cracked. This is completely broken. There's supposed to be, this is partly broken, but there's supposed to be something right here for it, and it's not there. So that's why it's not sliding in to the right place, I think. It's not able to catch on there. And it's not going down far enough where we could just temporarily leave it. There it goes. So I guess what we'll have to do is just temporarily have this held in place and put the vent in so that until we get the wheels to do it right, because around here it's hard to find parts same day. You have to order them. So another day we'll come out and fix it right, but for now that's in place, and we can see what the damage is. We're definitely going to have to replace this window at some point. But it rolls up. And I'll keep the cats out. And just for safety, keep the glass from coming out. Okay. Now that panel's in and the window's not going to go anywhere, and then we'll have to finish this video at some point and get the wheels so it operates properly. I shouldn't have done that. I'm going to have to put some screws in too. But at some point we'll have to come back and redo the window with one that's not cracked already, and we'll have to there, and we'll have to go back and buy some parts off the internet for the little pulleys so that we could get it to roll properly. Good, thank you for watching.